Hi everyone, Charles Wilkinson from Argo Yachting, and here we are in Swanwick Marina just outside Southampton, and we're setting up just before the start of the British Motor Yacht Show. As you can see, this is our selection just here, massive range of boats we've got to show as a company, and it starts tomorrow the 16th through until the 19th of May. That's Thursday through to Sunday, 10 until 5 in the afternoon. We have fantastic hospitality. So the selection of yachts we have at the show are the Chris-Craft Launch 28 GT. It's a day boat, really beautiful classic design. Then we have the Pardo 43 Open just over there. The UK premiere of the Pardo GT52, absolutely incredible boat, needs to be seen in the flesh. Next to it, the Galeon 560 Flybridge. The Galeon 400 Flybridge. The Galeon 405 HTS, which is just over there in the corner. And then we have a used stock Grandeza 28, which is also available for sale. We'd love to welcome you to the show. We look forward to seeing you, and hopefully we can show you some boats. Thank you.